There are millions of working professionals in America who collect a paycheck every month, spend it, and end the month with nothing left over. Then the next month starts, and the same cycle repeats. But some people work the exact same 9-to-5 job and still manage to earn more than their entire salary on the side every single month. They're not geniuses. They don't have some secret formula. The only difference is they picked the right business at the right time and actually started. In this video, we're breaking down 4 businesses you can start alongside your job without quitting, without investing thousands up front, and most importantly, without giving up your entire day. For every business, I'll tell you exactly how much money it takes, how much daily time it needs, and the first step to start today. If you're new here and want to fix your financial life, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Let's get into it. The 3-filter system. The biggest mistake people make is hearing a business idea and immediately saying, yes, I'm doing this, then quitting 2 weeks later. Why does that happen? Because the business was never actually right for them in the first place. So before you hear a single idea, run it through 3 simple filters. Filter 1, time. How much extra time do you actually have after your job? 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day, or only weekends? Some businesses demand daily time. Others only need a weekend. Filter 2, skill. What do you already know how to do? Writing, design, finance, 5 to 10 years of experience in some field. The best side business builds on a skill you already have. You don't waste time learning something brand new from zero. Filter 3, capital. How much money can you actually put in? $0, $500, $5,000? Your options look completely different depending on the answer. So here's the point. As you hear each of these 4 businesses, run it through your own 3 filters. Whichever one passes all 3, that's your business. Business 1, the digital contractor model. This is the one you can start with literally 0 investment. Everyone already knows about freelancing. Build a profile on Upwork or Fiverr, land a client, do the work. But freelancing has one big problem. You're selling your own time. The money only comes in while you're actually working. That's not sustainable alongside a full-time job. So here's the upgrade, the micro agency. You bring in the client, someone else does the actual work, and you keep the margin in between. It works exactly like a contractor running a construction job. The client needs a building, the contractor brings in workers, manages the job, and keeps the profit spread. You're doing the same thing, just in the digital space. Here's an example. You connect with a small business owner on LinkedIn. He says he needs someone to manage his social media, and he's willing to pay $800 a month. You go find a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr and hire them for $400 a month to actually create the content and post it. Your job is managing the client relationship and checking quality, maybe 30 to 40 minutes a day. Your profit, $400 per client per month. 3 clients equals $1,200 a month. 5 clients equals over $2,000 a month. And this isn't limited to social media. Content writing, graphic design, website maintenance, video editing. This model works in any digital service. Investment, basically 0. Just the phone and laptop you already own. Time, 1 to 2 hours a day, evenings after work. So your first step, today, post on LinkedIn. Write, I help small businesses with. That's it. That's the whole starting point. But if working online isn't your thing and you want something that directly uses your professional experience, listen to the next one, Business 2. Sell your experience. If you've worked in any field for more than 5 years, you already have something extremely valuable, your experience, and people pay for it. Seriously, pay for it. Picture a CPA. He works a normal job at a company during the week. On weekends, he starts a small coaching batch, teaching tax planning and compliance to small business owners over Zoom. 10 to 15 people per batch, charging $80 to $100 per person per month. That's an extra $1,500 to $3,000 a month, purely on weekends, alongside his job, without opening a single office. And this isn't only for accountants. HR professionals are in demand for job interview coaching. Marketing people get hired for small business consulting. Developers can run weekend coding boot camps. Teachers are in demand for competitive exam and test prep coaching. The point is, if you have 5+ years of experience in any field, someone out there wants to learn from you. Investment? 0. A free Zoom plan or Google Meet works fine. Time, weekends only, Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 3 hours. First step, run one free 30-minute webinar on your topic. Convert the people who show up into a paid batch. Simple, free to paid. This is just the beginning. Similar breakdowns come out regularly on this channel, so subscribe and keep improving your financial journey. Now, both of these businesses are service-based, which means you're still trading your time for money. But if you want to put in the work once and get paid over and over, the third business is a game changer. Business 3, build once, earn forever. Passive income. Everyone uses the term, but almost nobody explains how it realistically works. So let me break it down. The answer is digital products. Notion templates, Excel toolkits, mini ebooks, Canva template packs. You build it once, based on your own field, listed on Gumroad or Etsy, promoted on your social media, and people buy it again and again without you doing anything extra. Here's an example. An HR professional built a complete HR toolkit for startups, offer letters, appraisal templates, policy documents, all in one bundle. She priced it at $49, posted about it once on LinkedIn, did a little promotion. Now, every month, without doing any extra work, she's making $1,500 to $2,000. Within a few months, her total earnings crossed $10,000. And the best part, you're not limited to one product. You can build 5 to 10 over time. Each product is its own small income stream. If 10 products each bring in even $300 a month, that adds up to serious money. Investment, 0 if you use Gumroad. Etsy charges a small listing fee. Time, 10 to 15 hours to build your first product, basically 2 weekends. After that, just 15 to 20 minutes a day on promotion. Your first step, think about a problem people in your field face repeatedly. Package the solution into a template or toolkit. List it on Gumroad today. Now, these first 3 businesses were all technology-based, but there's one business that's massively underrated in America with huge scope. This last one is a little different. Business 4, the franchise shortcut. This last business is for people who have a little capital, $20,000 to $100,000, and want a physical business without having to run it themselves every day. The answer is a franchise or license-based micro-business. The market for small franchise opportunities in America is massive. Coffee kiosks, laundromats like WaveMax, tutoring franchises like Mathnasium, vending machine routes, mobile car detailing franchises, fitness studios. Here's how it works. You invest, and the company gives you a proven system: branding, training, supply chain, marketing support. You hire a manager who handles the daily operations. You're the owner, but the manager runs the business. It sounds like a lot of work, but the reality is the system is already built. You're just putting in the capital. Income range. A well-run coffee kiosk franchise can bring in $3,000 to $6,000 a month in net profit. A tutoring franchise, $4,000 to $8,000. A laundromat, $2,500 to $5,000. And your daily involvement is about 30 minutes on the phone. Talk to your manager, check the numbers, look at customer feedback. That's it. The manager handles the rest. Your first step, go to a franchise directory site, enter your budget, shortlist 5 to 10 options. Talk to existing franchise owners of that brand. Ask them what the reality actually looks like. Then decide. Remember at the start, I said some people work the same 9 to 5 and still earn more than their salary on the side every month? A lot of them are following this exact model. A small franchise, a manager running it, and they're just monitoring the numbers. They didn't quit their job. Their income just doubled. So here's the bottom line. Starting a side business isn't risky. What's actually risky is depending on one single income source, hoping everything stays fine, and realizing 10 years later that nothing changed. These 4 businesses are how professionals across America are already building extra income alongside their jobs. This isn't some magic formula. Understand your filters, pick the right business, and take the first step. I've given you the entire framework. Now you just have to start. Comment "start" below, make that promise to yourself that you're done just thinking about it. And send this video to that one friend who earns well but has never seriously thought about a side income. If this video helped, hit like, and if you're serious about changing your financial life, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. See you in the next video.